Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. All right, so we're gonna be talking about P0741 trouble code. If you guys have this issue, probably have a check engine light on your dash. So basically, we're gonna get to what it means and what you guys can do to try to fix this issue. So essentially, P0741 is essentially, it's defined as torque converter clutch circuit performance or stuck off. So it pretty much means that the PCM, your car's computer, is seeing greater than 200 RPM difference between the speed of the torque converter and the transmission input shaft. So basically, that's a huge difference because the torque converter lockup, when it engages, there should be a 1-to-1 ratio between the converter RPM and the input shaft RPM. So that's a huge difference. So if you guys don't know what the torque converter look up clutch is, it's basically the torque converter is to create a 1-to-1 RPM ratio between the transmission input shaft and the rational speed of the torque converter, so that the manual transmission pretty much has a mechanical lock between the engine and the transmission. This essentially eliminates any loss of power that might occur with the fluid and or hydraulic lock that you would experience with a normal torque converter. This is achieved with a friction plate and a friction disc inside the torque converter housing that are applied with hydraulic pressure. So basically, if you guys have this issue, obviously you're going to get a check engine light. Your vehicle will not shift into highest gear at freeway speed. You're going to get a huge decrease in fuel economy, and in some cases there are no adverse conditions noticed by the driver. In some cases, there may be performance issues such as dying when coming to a stop after driving on the freeway and or misfire like symptom. So you guys want to know what actually causes this. So basically, what causes this is could be a defective torque converter lockup solenoid, defective engine coolant temperature sensor. And if that is your problem, that's an easy fix. Hopefully that's your problem. But if you have that, the engine coolant temperature sensor as your issue, you might actually get that code with this. It could also be a defective torque converter clutch, defective valve body, or a dirty transmission fluid that restricts the hydraulic passages. And in that case, you guys probably need to change the transmission fluid or the filter. A lot of people who have this code kind of diagnose it as a engine misfire issue, or maybe a mechanical issue with the transmission. But if you guys have this issue, definitely what you guys want to probably do first is to change out the transmission fluid. Hopefully that would fix your issue. Change out the fluid if you guys can. Change out the filter. Outside of that, the other cheaper option would probably to change up the replace the engine coolant temperature sensor. That's a fairly inexpensive part and fairly inexpensive fix, and hopefully it's none of the other things. But if you guys have your own personal experience with this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know what your experience is with this code. It might help somebody else out. Please leave a comment. Please subscribe. All that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.